Hello and welcome. You're watching me, Sanket Upadhyay, on The Federal. The show is called AI with Sanket. This is the AI of news because news in India today requires not artificial but analytical intelligence. Early in the morning on Saturday, Sonam Wangchuk was picked up from that stage right behind me. You see that stage which says hunger strike? He was on the hunger strike. Today would have been the 21st day of that hunger strike. And early in the morning, plainclothes policemen came, picked him up, wrapped him in a white sheet and took him first to the Ram Manohar Lohia hospital and then took him to the Safdarjung hospital. They say his condition is critical and upon the orders of the High Court, they are taking this decision for his good health. Everyone wants his health to be good. But what about the health of the education sector? Because of which this agitation is now going on. The agitation still continues. What happens to this agitation from here on? What happens to this protest from here on? And more importantly, you've taken away one messenger. What happens to that message from here on? So we're here in Jantar Mantar and we'll try to find this out. Let's try to speak to a few people. This is, of course, by the way, let me tell you that Sonam Wangchuk was not the only person who was on a hunger strike. There is Manish for the 21st day. His BP level is written right here, ketone level, his weight loss is almost 10.5 kgs. You come here and the ISA president, Neha, she has been on a hunger strike for 21 days, weight loss of 7.55 kgs. Blood sugar at 75, ketone at 2, BP at 105 and 66, and Amin has lost about 10 kgs. So people are still continuing with their fast and their protest. I would ask Nadeem to come here and he will show you how this protest by other protesters continues right here. So from Neha to Manish to Amin, they're all still camping here and continuing with their protest. But as I said, the big question is, what happens to this protest from here on? Let's try and speak to a few people over here and figure out what they have to say. Your name, sir?
My name is Said.
Said, the manner in which Sonam Wangchuk was picked up in the morning and taken away, whisked away, because of failing health. There are many other protesters also. First of all, I want to know your reaction to what happened in the morning. And where does the protest itself go from here?
So my reaction is very simple. When we arrived over here, we saw an entire sea of policemen who had already taken Sonam Wangchuk. So I arrived right at that time and they were trying to basically detain these three people who are sitting here right now. There were 3 layers of human chain that had been formed by students around them, and they were preventing the police from getting closer to them. So as soon as we saw that, all we could think about was that this was very quick. We were thinking that okay, we're moving towards the 20th. We are planning for how to move about for the...
So they struck when you were not expecting.
Yeah, exactly.
But everybody, Said, everybody knew. You speak to any ministers, you speak to anyone, any journalist, everybody thought that something or the other is going to happen and the government will try to quell this protest ahead of the 20th. So do you think, I just want to ask you, what do you think is the future of the message that this protest is trying to mainstream?
So I would really think that we have been here since day one and we have been seeing the way the crowd has been going, the mobilization has been going. Never has there been a mobilization this quick in all of these days as it was today after Sonam Wangchuk was detained. Maybe the police thought that if they detain hunger strikers, if they detain Sonam Wangchuk, the movement will fail. But it has only grown as a response to that. We are seeing right now in this heat as well, people are just shouting slogans here and there and the fervor has only risen. So basically I think that the future is that we are going to march towards the 20th. We are going to do the march. We have said that, DK had said that, he had declared that in the morning and we'll be a part of that. And
the Delhi police has also said that they request you to vacate this place. So do you think they'll let you march? And if they don't, then what?
The Delhi police had told us to vacate this place on 6th itself. The Delhi police had told us to vacate this place on 20th also when we sat here. The fact is that we are here exercising our rights. The Delhi police misquoted a High Court order and detained Sonam Wangchuk, saying that his health has deteriorated. And right now we are hearing from the hospital that his vitals are stable. If his vitals are stable, then clearly the problem was somewhere else. The problem was that they wanted to stop the march on 20th. We are not going to stop, and we are going to continue regarding it.
So the march continues on the 20th.
The march continues on the 20th.
And my last question, what happens to the message of this protest?
I think that it has only been amplified further. The fact that Dharmendra Pradhan must resign. Now the dots are more clear. The dots are more closed.
But do you think that the problem will correct itself or auto-correct with one resignation? I mean, the decay is systemic. So you replace one minister with another, the problem will remain.
Exactly, and that is why we are not asking for resignation as a sort of overhaul of the system itself. The resignation will do one thing. It will establish the first step towards going towards the direction of establishing accountability. We want to establish accountability. There is no accountability. The structure that the education system right now has, that the NTA is a private entity disconnected from the Ministry of Education. So whenever such paper leaks happen, whenever such issues happen, they just brush it under by saying that it is a private entity. We are not responsible for it. There has to be someone who is responsible, and that is Dharmendra Pradhan. We want to establish a series from that. We have been saying that we wish that NTA should be scrapped. We have been saying that we wish that new education policy 2020 should be taken back. But this is a first step towards that direction, not an end in itself.
Joining us right now is Mr. Vijeta Dahiya. You know that he has been one of the spokespeople of the Cockroach Janata Party. The manner in which Sonam Wangchuk was picked up and taken, where does this leave the protest itself?
This is a black day for Indian democracy, and the protest is not affected. You can see that the anger and the enthusiasm in people is much more than before. So I think the government really did something foolish.
What happens to this protest from here on? The march on the 20th.
I ask all the people to already start coming to Jantar Mantar, and there's a march on on the 20th. So it is supposed to start at 9 a.m. But I request people to already start coming in and stay here for all day, all night.
Now my point is, if the police does not allow you to carry on with this march and there are all the signs that they will do the same, then what do? What happens to the movement or the issue that you are raising?
But as Bhagat Singh said, that the law, it should represent the will of the people. The people are not for the law. Law is for the people. So how can you make law an excuse to curb the rights of people? That does not make sense.
सुबह 7 बजे जब मैं यहाँ से निकला फ्रेश होने के लिए, तभी पुलिस के गुंडे यहाँ आए, सोनम सर को घसीटकर गाली गलौज करके लेकर गए। 60 साल से जो इंसान है, जो भूख हड़ताल पर बैठा हुआ था 20 दिनों से, 60 साल के इंसान को जो 20 दिनों से भूखा था, उसको दिल्ली पुलिस गाली गलौज करके घसीटकर यहाँ से जबरदस्ती उठाकर लेकर गई। ये कहाँ लेकर गई हमें पता नहीं है। और जब मैं मेरे दोस्त के घर से निकल, जैसे ही मुझे ये खबर मिली, मैं जंतर मंतर आ रहा था, पुलिस वालों ने मुझे भी मारपीट की, मुझे भी सड़कों पर घसीटा और गेट बंद करके मुझे अंदर रखा और कहता है तू जंतर मंतर कैसा जाता है हम देख लेते हैं। मुझे भी दिल्ली पुलिस ने डिटेन कर रखा था, मेरे साथ भी मारपीट की, मुझे भी घसीटा गया रोड पर। और यहाँ पर जितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके साथ भी दिल्ली पुलिस ने मारपीट की। कहाँ पर लोगों के फोन भी छीन कर लेकर गए ये पुलिस ने, ये आरएसएस के गुंडे।
So announcements are being made from the stage that there could be an attempt by people at the behest allegedly of the central government who will come and disturb peace over here, so that this entire site can be cleared and people can be removed from Jantar Mantar. So the volunteers as well as protesters are being told, they are all being told that they should keep a vigil, be alert to identify such people who may want to create havoc or create confusion over here. Now whether the government will actually do this or not, I don't know. But from now till the 20th of July, when the Sansad March is supposed to happen, this is a very crucial period for the Cockroach Janata Party protest, which is taking place right here at Jantar Mantar. With video journalist Nadeem Sanket Upadhyay for The Federal.